I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can private and unprivate your TikTok account. Alright, now before I tell you guys what private and unprivating is, if your TikTok account is private, only those people who follow you, which means your followers, can see your videos and your stories on your TikTok. And if somebody else wants to follow you, then first they need to send you a follow request, and you need to approve that follow request, and only then that person can follow you. That's what private account does. Every activity, a person who follows you, a person who unfollows you, you will know that. Alright, and in like an unprivate account, it means it's a public account. If an account is not private, it's a public account. And in a public account, whenever you post something, the whole world, or like the whole community of TikTok, whoever wants to see it can see it, and whoever wants to, share it can share it. Alright, that's what an unprivate TikTok account is. And if somebody wants to follow a TikTok account, they can just follow you. You will just get a notification that that person followed you. Alright, you don't have the right to click on accept if your account is public. Anybody can follow you, unfollow you, everybody can watch your video. Alright, whether they are your followers or not your followers. So let me show you guys how you guys can private your account. Off your screen, and click on the three line at the top of your screen, and go on setting and privacy, and you go on restricts privacy. Once you go on privacy, you see the private account option. Turn it on. If it is on, it means your account is private, but if it is off, it means your account is public. Alright, so I'm gonna click on switch, and I'm back to public. So if you want private, turn it on. If you want public, turn it off. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can private and unprivate your TikTok account.